asuntoskeittiö Kouvola Utinkatu 11 in
Kouvola, Finland.
This is Capula.
6 versions or 450 kilometers, 8 floors. It has been completely replaced in 2012, 11494005. It's going to be inspected in the next year, 2020. I wonder how old this building is, 1960s?
70s.
70s.
Nice sound.
Yeah. I want to know the year of construction, so I'll have to check it on Google. Maybe on Oikot, yeah.
Is it late 70s?
Yeah.
Is it good fast?
Yes, it's fast enough. Just doesn't have the door close button. Power this machine.
Not many apartment buildings have the clock button.
Yeah, not many have this.
inspected by Kiva, inspected by Kone.
Yeah. Does this building have any basement floor? No, it actually doesn't. If there was,
Yeah, it
this
might
could
be.
have had a basement floor as well.
Yeah, it might have hidden basement.
No, I don't think so.
That's